Using the Acura Alexa Skill, you can use your voice to send remote commands to your vehicle from compatible Amazon Alexa devices. You can ask Alexa to remote start your vehicle, lock and unlock doors, check your odometer or oil life, and much more. To set up Alexa with your vehicle, you will first need the following: an existing Amazon account, an Alexa-compatible device with connection to the internet, the AcuraLink app installed on your smartphone, a compatible vehicle paired to your AcuraLink account, and an active AcuraLink subscription to remote services. For more information on setting up AcuraLink with your vehicle, visit AcuraHelp.ca. Start by downloading the Amazon Alexa app from the App Store or Google Play. Once downloaded, open the app and sign into or create an Amazon account. You may be prompted to follow additional steps to set up Alexa. Once you've set up the Amazon Alexa app, select More from the home screen. Select Skills and Games, and then search for Acura. Select Acura Skill. Then select Launch. You will be taken to an AcuraLink login page. Enter your My Garage credentials that you used to sign into the AcuraLink app, and then complete the remaining information. You will see a list of vehicles registered to the AcuraLink account. Select the vehicle you'd like to use Alexa with. Please note that you may only be able to use the Alexa Skill with AcuraLink accounts that have one vehicle subscribed to it. Review the terms and conditions to complete the setup process. You can now begin using AcuraLink with Alexa devices that are connected to your Amazon account. To begin using voice commands from your phone, simply select Launch from the main Acura Skill page. Alexa understands a variety of commands related to your vehicle. Just be sure to say, "Alexa, ask Acura," followed by your command. For example, you can say, "Alexa, ask Acura to start my car, to lock my car, to send directions to my car, what is my oil life, or how much gas is in my car." To protect access to certain vehicle functions, such as remote start and remote lock and unlock, your AcuraLink 4-digit PIN must be provided before Alexa can send the command. Please note, commands may take up to a minute to execute, depending on network conditions. To learn more about features available on your Acura vehicle, visit AcuraHelp.ca.